Hi all, Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak to all my viewers. During this Eid, we didn't have much celebration as we were all sad about the flood happened in Kerala. Alhamdulillah, everything is getting back to normal. So in today's video, sharing some moments which I have spent with both of my parents and then some recipes cooked at that time. So hope you will like. Keep watching. My sister-in-law has bought some fresh organic mangoes from her home. So instead of eating them raw, we decided to pickle these sweet mangoes. For that, we slightly removed the skin of the mangoes and then chopped them. And then added it to a clean glass jar. Now here I have boiled some water and then allowing it to cool at room temperature. Meantime, plucking some spicy chilies from garden. Now slightly cut these chilies along with some salt and then 1 teaspoon of vinegar and add to the mangoes. And then finally we will be adding the cooled water. Now close them and allow to rest for minimum 1 day. Then the tasty and spicy pickled mangoes will be ready. Later it was heavy raining. My mother-in-law is cutting some raw plantains to prepare Kerala chips. These fresh plantains are thinly sliced, then added to turmeric water and then drained before adding to hot oil. These homemade Kerala chips are very tasty and taste better than the store-bought. Later we went for a small shopping and then while coming back stopped at a small bakery and had sarbat, that is chili sarbat. It was really a tasty and refreshing drink. It wasn't that spicy but had good flavors from ginger, lime and even chili. And at the bottom they have kept one cherry. It was very nice to have that cherry after drinking the chili sarbat. So if you have a chance, you should definitely try this. Later then I came to my home to spend some time with my parents. My mom has already prepared the lunch. She has made today chicken fried rice and to go along with it made a simple chicken fry, that's pepper chicken fry, and a tasty green chutney. This is called taripola in our traditional language. It's actually a sponge cake. My mom has prepared this soft sponge cake to go along with tea. And also she made another dish. This is called Irani pola. It has got a spicy beef filling inside. Mom spending some time in her garden. My mom plucking some henna leaves. I have told her to pluck some for putting on my hair. Next day, my mom grinded these leaves for me. This is the traditional stone which is used for grinding. Now to this grinded henna leaves, I have added some lime juice and then allowing it to rest. If you can keep it overnight, it's better. This is indigo powder, also known as Nilamari powder in our local language. You can add this also along with the henna and apply it to the hair. This indigo powder helps to give a good color to the hair, but for some they use the indigo powder in a different way. Next, sharing my mom's special chicken fry recipe. We call it as mom's special broast. The specialty of this fry is that she uses only 3 main ingredients to make this dish. The first main ingredient is soy sauce. Then she uses freshly crushed black pepper. Now the chicken here is already marinated with enough soy sauce and black pepper. You can add black pepper as per your taste and spiciness. And then the chicken has to be rested for at least 2 to 3 hours to get soft. Here we are not adding any salt because there is enough salt from the soy sauce. If you feel the salt is less, you can add more. To serve along with it, I prepared a simple coleslaw. For that, into a bowl, add some mayonnaise. Then add salt as per your taste. Then add 4 teaspoons sugar. Now mix them well. Next add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and then mix again. Next add half teaspoon vinegar. Next add half teaspoon black pepper. Now finally add the chopped vegetables, that's the chopped carrots and some cabbage. Now this has to be well mixed up and then allowed to rest for minimum 1 to 2 hours before serving. Next, preparing to fry the chicken. So into a plate add some corn flour. Then coat each chicken pieces in this corn flour. We are not adding any spices to the corn flour, just keeping it plain. So make sure that each chicken pieces are well coated with the corn flour. And then once they are well coated, then deep fry in hot oil. So the simple and tasty chicken fry is ready. We then enjoyed it with the salad and some homemade herbs. Next day for breakfast, it's puttu, that's what we call in our local language. It's steamed rice cake. And then we had it along with fresh organic bananas from our garden. Fresh mangoes are also a good combination for this dish. Later in the evening, we visited Calicut Beach. After spending some time there, we visited a tea store. That's my sister-in-law's cousin's tea store, which is near to the beach. It's called Chai or Chai. They have got varieties of hot and cold teas along with some sandwiches. It's a small and cute tea store which has got a very good ambience. This is something which I liked in this store. They have got here a wall of unity where you can leave your message for your loved ones. Now this is their menu. From here I have ordered a bubble chai. It's a cold tea and have choose the peach paradise flavor. So here comes my peach flavored bubble chai. It has got a different taste. It doesn't have a taste of a chai at all. And now this is the classic flavor ordered by my sister-in-law. Of the two, we like the peach flavored bubble chai. In each sip you get chewable tapioca balls, which I like the most about this bubble tea. We then also tried their hot nannari tea and saffron tea. Their cold green tea with mint and lemon was very refreshing. From the sandwich part, we only tried their chicken burger and also egg roll. Their egg roll was also a bit variety, in which they have added some fried chips for extra crunchiness. I personally like their food and even the prices are very economical. So do visit and try out their varieties of chais. Thanks for watching today's simple vlog. Stay tuned for more recipes and videos. Take care. Stay blessed. Bye.